Hi everyone, in this video we'll update user profile page. So not only username and user email, we will display user post and display user bookmark post. Alright? So first, open controllers, app controllers, and user controllers. So you have show here, and then we have post. We have user.post includes photos, likes, comments, and we have to save for user joins bookmark where user ID current user.id and includes photos, like, comments, and we only have save when user equal recurrent user. So if you go to another people profile page, you can't see their save post. Yeah, save it. And in order to join with bookmarks, you have to declare the association in the model. So post has many bookmarks. Save it. Okay. So for the view, we're gonna use Bootstrap component called nav tabs. So you go to bootstrap.com and search for navs and scroll to the very bottom until you see JavaScript behavior and looking for this, right? So we have two tabs, one tab for post and one tab for save, right? So we will copy it and let's open our view in user show and let's paste it right here. So before you paste, let's make a div profile tab. Okay, tab, and here you paste it and select tab, select it, tab, so they look better, right? So you want to delete this because we only have two tabs. Delete this as well, and let's change this. Right, so you double click on this to highlight it and then click Command D to multi-select it, and then I want to change this to post, and this should be post. For profile, let's tab, Command D, and this should be save, right? And this is save. All right. And for nav in here, I want to make this class is, oh no, not in here. This div, I want to make this display flex and justify content center to make these two tab buttons at the center. All right, for the tab content, padding bottom 3 rem. So for this tab, we have div.row wait a minute. Okay, div.row, and we're gonna loop through each post. Post.h do post and div.call4 and link to post path post do and div.postStat display flex justify content center align item center. So we have span y dot fa hurt. All right. Area hidden true. We print out post of likes side. The total of like posts. We're going left 3 rands fa command. Area hidden true. Post command size. So outside we have span div. We print out image tag post photo first image URL standard class current image top image preview. Right, save it. Let's have a test. Refresh. Alright, it look pretty ugly for now. And now let's do that for save. But actually, when you render save pose, it has exactly same layout. So what I'm gonna do is gonna cut this and make a partial file. So select from post to end, cut it, and I will create a new file. I'll call it post ERB. Save this. So remove this instant variable, and in here we'll use render post, and I will pass inside post. Oh, this should be post, and save. Okay, for this side, div.row and render post. The same post, but this should be saved, and we only render if user equal with current user, and we have the same way with this nav. We only print it if user equal with current user. And right, save it, refresh, and let's go for save. Okay, so this user has only one post for save. Right, now let's customize this ugly thing. So open our lovely CSS file. Scroll to the very bottom. Now let's write some CSS. Profile tab, margin top, 60 pixel. And inside we have nav tabs, order 0, for the top, 1 pixel, solid, DDD, and we have nav item. Well, actually this is inside nav tab, so nav item, order radius 0, order 0, order top, 1 pixel, solid, transparent, and margin top, -1 pixel, padding, 10 pixel, 0, background, transparent, font weight, bold, color, 999. Nav item, active, color, 262626, and where the top is 1 pixel, solid, 262626. Save it. So what I'm doing is I'm starting for this nav tab button. So refresh. Let's see. Alright, looking good. But it's not at the center, so let me have a quick look. Deflex justify content center. Alright. Oh, alright, it has very weird. Let's see. Really? That's the weirdest bug I have seen. Okay, so we good now. So let's start it up for this icon. So back to our XSS. So in here we have post stat, position, absolute, and color, white, font size, 18 pixel, font weight, bold, width, cal 100% -30 pixel. Hey, cal 100% 30 pixel. Top 0, opacity 0. And when you hover on the parent, on its parents, it's call for, which is the image. And when we hover, it will display a post stat. And our GBA will change its background 0, 0, 0, and 0.3. This 0.3 is actually a 0.3. Opacity 1. And image preview, right in bottom, 30 pixel. Save it. So before I refresh, I will say what I want to do is I want this icon to be hidden by default using opacity 0, and only when you hover on this image, which is call for, it will display, it will change the CSS of post stat, which is opacity with 1, and change the background colors, and this will slightly dimming the background. So let's see what I mean. Refresh. Alright, so nothing in here. So when you hover it, see, you have the number of like, the number of comments, right? And when you click this, you go to that specific post, right? And you can see the save post. And one more thing is that when you go to other people profile page, you won't see their saved post. And by the way, I just go ahead and create some profile, other user photos. All right, so that's it for this video. See you right next time.